Today you'll be learning a lot about a very important mineral that can help you to remove your age spots. A large number of people over 50 years of age have age spots. In today's show you will find out what are the health benefits of this mineral. One of the reasons why people get age spots is the chronic lack of zinc. So for you right now, it's most important thing that you need to think about it, that is zinc is best and the most important nutrient to remove all your age spots that you have on your body. Zinc is an essential mineral present in all organs and tissues, as well as body fluids. The human body contains 2 to 3 grams of zinc, mostly in the skeletal muscles and the bones, and to a lesser extent in the kidneys, liver, retina, skin and the prostate. Although most people, when think about the zinc, think about immunity, and that is very important role of the zinc in our body. But zinc has so much more offer to our health in general. So when you think about the zinc, plays role in the skin damage, like age spots. We cannot produce zinc in our body, we have to take it in every day. Zinc affects the formation and activation of the lymphocyte. White blood cells important in the fight against infections. So an insufficient intake of the zinc has a negative impact on the number and the function of the T cells and thus on the immunity. So when you think about it, when you have the very poor immunity, you can think about it that you will have the age spots in very common way. So that means very low and bad immunity, much more age spots in your body. Zinc is necessary and extremely important for the production of the collagen, which is crucial for the healthy skin. Zinc will help reduce the formation of melanin, the pigment responsible for the development of the age spots. So we have in our skin something called melanin. This is some kind of pigment that had like dark consistency. So when you have the dark spots, this melanin is in the dark spots. When you take zinc on everyday basis, you reduce the risk of much more large quantity of this melanin in your body, and this will help you to reduce age spots very quickly. I will give you a couple more very important information. What is best zinc-rich food? This will be oysters, the highest natural source, beef, lamb and the chicken, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, shiso, quinoa and eggs. Recommended daily intake is gonna be for men 11 milligrams per day, women 8 milligrams per day. Higher doses up to 40 milligrams per day may be used short-term under medical supervision. How to take zinc? Zinc can be taken through food or supplements. When using supplements, zinc picolinate or zinc gluconate forms are often better absorbed. Always take zinc with the food to avoid nausea. Other natural remedies for age spots. First is gonna be grape seed extract, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from sun damage and aging. It improves skin elasticity and can help lighten hyperpigmentation. Take 100 to 200 milligrams daily as a supplement. Second is going to be L-carnitine, known for the boosting energy production in the cell. L-carnitine also supports skin repair and may reduce oxidative stress in the skin. Typical dose is 500 to 2000 milligrams daily. Third is going to be lecithin. This is natural fat emulsifier, improves skin hydration and elasticity, helping reduce the appearances of age skin spots over the time. Found in soybeans, sunflower seeds and available as a supplement. And last one is going to be ginkgo biloba. Improves the blood circulation and delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, promoting regeneration. Dose 120 to 240 milligrams daily, divided in 2 or 3 doses.